In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Zoho Mail. We'll walk through the process from inside your inbox so you can quickly turn conversations into scheduled meetings without leaving Zoho Mail. Make sure you're already logged into your Zoho Mail account before you start, so everything looks familiar and you have access to the right tools. First, open Zoho Mail in your browser. Once your inbox loads, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a set of icons for different Zoho apps and features. Among those, find the Zoho meeting icon. It usually looks like a small video or meeting symbol. Hover over it if you're not sure, and you should see a label confirming that it's Zoho meeting. Click on the Zoho meeting icon. This opens a panel or window that lets you create and manage meetings directly from your mail interface. Here, you'll see options to start a meeting right away or to plan it for some time in the future. Because we're focusing on planning ahead, click on the option that says Schedule for later. This tells Zoho that you want to create a scheduled meeting instead of starting an instant one. After you click that, you'll be taken to a more detailed scheduling screen. Next, select Schedule Meeting. This opens the full meeting creation form. This is where you'll set all the important details that your participants will see. Now, fill in the meeting details carefully. Start with a clear meeting title that explains the purpose, such as Weekly Team Check-In or Client Status Update. Then choose the date and start time, and make sure the time zone is correct, especially if people are joining from different locations. Set the expected duration so attendees know how much time to block on their calendars. Add a description or agenda in the notes or description box. This helps everyone understand what will be discussed and come prepared. Then add the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Double check spelling so invitations are delivered properly. If there are advanced settings available, such as requiring a meeting password, enabling video, or allowing participants to join before the host, adjust those according to your preferences and your organization's policies. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the setup, click on Schedule. Zoho Meeting will create the meeting, generate the join link, and send invitations to the participants through email. You should also see the scheduled meeting appear in your Zoho ecosystem, making it easy to access later.